complete mess. So today I got to hang out with Little Miss Nikki and the food and drink crew, the Bone-In squads. They were streaming today, so I hung out with her. I only get to hang out with like maybe 2 people a day. I try to make sure I give all the adequate time to hang out and visit that you deserve when you watch a stream. People, watch your stream. I understand how it is trying to be able to. You really can't, when it comes to social media or stream supporting, you truly can't please everybody. But the ideal that you take the time to show up. Because my thing is, if I see the same people pop up every like blue moon, that's a lot to me. That means a lot. You come like, if I've streamed for a month and I saw you maybe twice out that month or once out of that month, that means a lot. It doesn't mean you don't come a lot. We got so much going on in our lives besides just streaming every day. You got fences to fix. You got a hole in the wall you got to fix in there while you're doing your streaming. There's so many things people got to do that they just don't have that kind of time. Trying to catch up, unless you are a dedicated viewer and subscriber who don't stream. Those individuals, those beautiful folks that I see in views right now, those are like the ones that you gotta sit there and make sure that you do the show the way it needs to be done. Other than that, everything else falls into place. And it always does. That's why I like this stream. It's cool. I can sit here and go over everything that I know was happening over the week, talking to you. Just as good as I could, going on every social media, saying the same thing over and over, 10 minutes in different platforms.